इधर
वाइड के बाहर से बॉल क्या ऐसा क्या खेल रहे हैं? आपको पट्टी बांध के खेलता है क्या?
भाई क्या आइडिया है? एक काम करते हैं, आप पे पट्टी बांध के क्रिकेट खेलते हैं। अच्छा आइडिया, अच्छा आइडिया।
आपको पट्टी बांध के क्रिकेट फुल ऑरेंज जूस गैंग प्रीमियर लीग।
गाइस हम लोग खेलने वाले हैं ब्लाइंड फोल्ड क्रिकेट। टीम बना लेते हैं और फिर मिलते हैं।
चलो आएगा।
तो गाइस हमारे टीम का नाम है दर्दी बॉयज और हम सब बाकी टीम्स के दर्द देने वाले हैं बहुत ज्यादा।
तो हमारे टीम का नाम है वहिनी गैंग। मेरा नाम है महेंद्र सिंह वहिनी
और मेरा नाम है धर्मेंद्र सिंह वहिनी।
आम्हाला थोड़ा सपोर्ट
हम हैं मुंबईज और हम हारने की स्ट्रिक तोड़ने वाले हैं,
दुनिया हिला देंगे।
हिला के रख देंगे। तो आपको ये गेम के रूल्स बता देते हैं हम। तो ये एक होने वाला है ब्लाइंड फोल्ड क्रिकेट मैच, जिसमें बैट्समैन के ऐसे इधर पट्टी बांधी होगी और वो बैटिंग करेगा और बॉलर जो है वो बॉलिंग करेगा। ऑब्वियसली
बॉल इसी बॉक्स के अंदर गिरना चाहिए, अगर बाहर गिरा किधर भी तो नो बॉल।
हाँ,
और वाइड भी रहेगा।
नो बॉल का 1 रन मिलेगा और नो बॉल प्लस वाइड गया तो उसके 2 रन मिलेंगे। नो बॉल पे फ्री हिट मिलेगी, जिसमें बैट्समैन ब्लाइंड फोल्ड ऐसे निकाल के वो बॉल खेल सकता है। बॉल बैट को बॉल लगा तो 1 ही रन मिलेगा। कुछ भी करो, 4 मारो, 6 मारो, कितना भी जोर से धीरे मारो, कुछ नहीं होने वाला है, 1 ही रन मिलेगा। और
2 ओवर का मैच है,
3 टीम है, 6 में ऐसे 2-2 की टीम है। ट्राई सीरीज खेलने वाले हैं, तो जैसे जीतेंगे वैसे आगे हम बढ़ेंगे और फिर फाइनल होगा और जो जीतेगा उसके लिए एक सरप्राइज भी है, ठीक है, बड़ी ट्रॉफी।
और आउट एकदम सिंपल है, अगर कट किया और जो प्लेयर है उसने डायरेक्ट कैच पकड़ा तो आउट है।
ठीक है, हम लोग ऐसा गली में ऐसा बचकाना क्रिकेट खेलते तो एक टप्पा आउट वो सब भी नहीं है, एकदम इंटरनेशनल रूल्स के सब चलिए, सिर्फ कैच आउट, सिर्फ कैच आउट बस। लेट्स गो गो।
Heads it is and the toss winners are Dardi boys. And we choose to ball.
Okay. Yes. Dardi boys, they have won the toss and they are elected to bowl first.
So Mitwano, Dardi Boys versus Boys Indians are playing now the first match of GPL and this match has been sponsored by Devlata Villa. तुम्ही कधी येऊ शकता इकडे येऊ शकता कर्जतला कडक जागा खतरनाक and we get ready आणि मॅच सुरू रेडी मस्त शांतपणा 2 1 आणि हा शुभवांच जाधवांच्या इथे बॅटिंगवर झालेला आहे. छान होता बट खूपच छान बॉल शेवटी सागर मला वाटतं त्यांना कवच घालायची बायचे आणि सगळेच जर ओरडत आहेत आमच्या कमेंट्रीचा काय भाषणा चालू आहे काय कळत नाही पण ठीक आहे छान चालू आहे आणि थर्ड बॉल आलेला आहे आणि तिसरा बॉल पण मिस झालेला आहे. शुभम जाधव फाटलेली आहे शुभम जाधवची घाटकोपर वरून खेळत आहेत आणि कॉमेंटेटर तू फॅन नाही आणि छान टप्पा
शुभम जाधव यांची फलंदाजी बघून मला असं वाटतं की एकंदरीत ते कधीच खेळले नाही.
प्लीज डॉक्टर्स कॉन्टॅक्ट शुभम जाधव कारण शुभम जाधवच्या जे इथे जे समजू शकतात मी डॉक्टर्स ओनली प्लीज. आणि शुभम जाधवची बॅटिंग झालेली आणि आलेले आहेत आमचे सचिन तेंडुलकर सौरभ
आणि त्यांच्या समोरची टीम आहे बॉलिंगला आलेला आहे द नील जस्ट नील थिंग सालेकर नितीन त्याच्या वडिलांचं नाव आहे सॉरी जस्ट नितीन काय तो स्लेजिंग के साथ जरूरी है स्लेजिंग कशी गोट्यांवरती बॉल हल्ले ते कमेंट मध्ये सांगा.
ऐसी बैटिंग है ना इसका बैटिंग है तो गोटी क्या है इसका तो टीम का फोड़ेगा देखो मैंने.
तो हम आ गए हैं अभी ये मैच के लिए और सौरभ दिलीप खारगे फ्रॉम मुलुंड केळकरच्या समोर वडापावच्या वरती राहणार आहे. Everyone ready? Just two things goes now. Almost close, by Saurabh Dilipgarge.
Hand
Okay, Chida cheating. Exactly.
One dot ball. Umpire decision अंतिम राहील.
But what do you think? Who will win the match? What do you think?
I think I'm thinking.
I think. Yeah.
Something or
Something lovely happening.
Yeah.
It's nice.
Umpire decision in अंतिम रे. That's why. Can you please don't?
Yeah, very nice ball.
Second ball and
Leg by. Yes.
cheer up for
Saurabh
Justin Thing.
Good ball. Saurabh Dilipgarge is still going good. I mean, त्याचा मोकळा आहे. So it's all going well.
Yeah, but the third ball is here and
Just Nitin.
good ball. This ball also dot ball. Yeah.
Just Nitin is with a great economy and great strike rate and ball rate. It's going very nice. Ball
Dilipgarge is very
Oh, what a nice place by Dilipgarge.
no, not place. It's, the third one, the fourth one also miss. Yeah.
Miss. Saurabh Garge, who's the greatest batsman I know in the world, but still missing it from different things. And it's a good ball and again miss. And it's wide. It's wide.
This is wide ball. Umpire decision अंतिम रे. And this is right ball.
What are you saying?
Umpire decision is अंतिम रे.
Umpire. Okay. There is no umpire. Umpire. Yes. That's right. That's very nice.
Please, yeah, last ball is here.
Oh, yeah. That's a white ball. That's a white ball. I don't know. It's white. I don't know. Free! Oh, it's a free! It's a free! Oh my God! Can you see his face? Oh my God! Can you see his face? He's so happy. Blindfold off and आता धमको तो बकवास.
The balance is low. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Just no ball. Oh my God! Oh my God! Justin Thinks has great economic rate, but now Justin Thinks is going down and down and down. What is happening? Oh, this is off. This is off.
गंभीर situation भरा. गंभीर से
You
situation
can say
से
it.
गंभीर से situation.
No, it wasn't a ball. It wasn't a ball. God, no ball by Justin Thinks. Oh my God! Is this the match? That umpired by Omkar Shinde, living in Dombivli. He has one wife and 2 kids. I mean, one maybe upcoming. I don't know,
Checking.
but one already there, and they're checking right now. It's nice going on. आपण पण कुठेतरी बघू ना. Yeah. So it's nice going on the screen over there. Yeah. That's. I think. What do you think? Is it a? It's a no ball. It's a no ball. As you can see, it's a no ball. Omkar Shinde, great work by Omkar Shinde. I think he should be given a pay hype and all. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
And here he goes. Justin Thinks on his life and good ball. I think that's a very nice ball.
Very nice
And,
place also. Yeah.
very nice place. And Saurabh Garge again going for the blindfold because the free hit is done. Saurabh Garge is ready again. Why are you laughing? What happened?
Because Saurabh Garge is putting the black panda and
And just to think. Oh, great pace. Great pace by Saurabh Dilipgarge from Mulund. केरळच्या समोर वडापावच्या वर.
12 रन चाहिए जीत के लिए
12 चाहिए जीत के लिए 6 बॉल 6 हर बॉल मारना है भाई एक भी अगर नो निकाला ना अपन एक्स्ट्रा जीत गया
12 runs, 12 balls. It's going to be a great match. Justin Thinks at strike right now.
Yeah.
He's doing blindfold. I don't know what because he had a bad over, the worst over in the whole IPL season.
Yeah.
So I think it's going to be a one. Fuck off from it. I don't give a shit.
JPL please. माहौल बना हुआ stadium and very excited Justin Thing is playing batting and
Shubham Jadhav bowling from Ghatkopar. Metro to Samor. Perfect ball. Jadhav bowling.
let's go buddy.
What a ball. What a nice ball. And Justin Thinks bumla laglela hai.
So this name is not Mumbai. Its name is Mum.
Oh, second ball just happened and Justin Thinks. Justin Thinks.
Very angry and aggressive player.
Aggressive, yes.
I'm not.
No skills, only bull.
Yeah.
And
go,
Shubham
let's
Jadhav going
go,
for
let's
the third ball. And a good ball.
Nice,
Good ball. And
Shubham Jadhav.
Justin Thinks very nicely done. Okay. Protsahan from.
Can you please sit here?
Yeah, thank you. And a good ball. Oh, okay. Was this no ball? This is a very difficult situation right now. Shubham Jadhav good bowling. Good bowling till now. And here we go. Shubham Jadhav good bowling. Oh, being very nicely placed. Very good. The over which he did, that was bullshit. But this batting would do a nice and fifth ball. And wow, what a nice placement. Justin Thinks doing a great thing in batting today. I mean, he can overcompensate. What do you think? Can he overcompensate for the bowling? What he did, the worst bowling in the whole IPL season of the whole century?
I'm thinking about the bowling pace is Jasnil thing is like no ball, everything is no ball. But still Jasnil thing is batting is so good. He's missing 3 balls and then plays the 2 balls.
Exactly.
So it's very good for the team.
Dirty boys. The Bol Bachchan is back. Shravan Shirsagar is back. I hope जो वो बोलता है वो करता है. Let's see what he does now. Best friend bowling to best friend. Saurabh Dilip Garge to Shravan Pandurang Shirsagar. Let's go.
Can you Jasnil thing please? Can you please sit?
Thank you so much. And no ball by Saurabh Dilip Garge. My God, I'm just thinking this is very much happy. My God, what happiness is this? And it's a free hit. It's a free hit. It's going to be great.
Yeah.
And Saurabh goes for a free hit ball.
Oh
my
the
God.
place is very perfect, you know, the left hand side.
Perfect. So, here we go again. Saurabh Dilip Garge.
And this is
Oh my God! Saurabh Dilip Garge is doing. My God, he's destroyed. Saurabh Dilip Garge's expressions are very angry. Shishag going for the third ball. Oh, very nice ball.
This is wide.
Okay, is this a wide? Was this a wide? No, that was a ball. That was a ball.
ready for
Goes
bowling.
right.
And let's go.
Good ball.
This is not the place.
Ball laglela hai. Okay, very nicely done by Saurabh Dilip Garge. Very nice.
2 ball 5 runs. Very interesting match right now.
This is Saurabh Dilip Garge with the no. Can you see his expressions right now? This is the no. Saurabh Dilip Garge is very scared right now.
Saurabh is very pressure right now in bowling.
This is worst for Saurabh Dilip Garge. It's a review? No.
Why review?
No. What is he doing? I don't understand.
This is
And
no
it's a
ball
good
decision, yeah.
Lost a review.
Yeah, 2 ball. हर बार
4
ये
runs.
माहौल बना हुआ ऐसा स्टेडियम और सज्ज हुए हैं सौरभ
doing
के बॉल
video
के लिए. Yeah.
Oh my God!
Nice.
That was a nice one. Patti down was there.
1 ball
free
3
hit.
runs. Yeah.
So
The 1 no ball, the game is changed.
it's going to be good.
Shabrakari.
Here,
Hindi.
Hey, my God! Dilip Garge is having today. Finally! My God, what a dance! What a match!
Boys is
And
being right
It was
now.
a tough boys. Shishag's team. The boys played very well, but
still-
again, Bol Bachchan only as
That's
usual.
why he's not playing the bat. He's playing the only move.
Actions speak louder than words.
This is for the Mumbois for the win the match.
Mumbois have won, so congratulations, Mumbois. You'll get a check of $25 lakh.
Dirty boys, one more dirt you have, but still, next match we'll see.
Very nice.
Now the
Heads it is when we have lost the toss.
And we choose to
Bowl first.
Yeah.
Let's go. Let's go,
I'm
guys.
actually sorry that the boy, this is going to be very bad for you. Brutal against you because Whiteys when they come, they just.
Dirty boys जो हमारे सामने हारे, they have won the toss and they have elected to field first.
Their fielding is very weak, but their batting is very good because of our bowler.
Their bowling is very weak actually, but Shravan is a pretty good bowler. He can bowl, he has variations, but I feel Neil is going to be the impact player for the opponent team.
Maybe.
3, 2, 1.
That's no ball and he hit the ball.
Wow! My goodness!
Wow! The underdog Siddharth Safoe.
That's a free hit. It's going to be crazy. First ball, no ball. 8 balls, 0 balls, 2 runs.
1.
And that's another no ball.
Again no ball. Another no ball.
Another free hit.
What? What is this happening, guys?
What in the world is Neil doing? 0 ball, 4 runs, and that's a world record from Siddharth Safoe.
And again free hit. Free hit continue. Very good.
3, 2, 1.
Oh!
Smashed on Shravan's leg.
That Shravan Tenkish is like this. He didn't pick the ball.
Yeah, they both are because they are
females.
You play your game. Okay?
You cannot interrupt comedy box.
This fucker talking with us. We can use bad language. We are not.
We are speaking in English.
English.
Bad language in English is fine, I guess. Oh, what happened? The pass is 9. Which means, what can you see?
3, 2, 1.
That's a cover drive! That's a cover
What a
drive!
shot on Shravan Scouty of leg.
That's a cover drive from Babar Sarfray.
2, 1.
Oh! One more shot by Siddhant Sarfray.
No ball.
3,
It's concerned. It's in concern.
Oh, that is a dot ball. Well ball.
Good comeback from Neil.
Good comeback from Neil.
This over is not getting over, man. Come on.
2, 1.
Oh! What? Siddhant Sarfray hitting the ball like hell.
Shravan was supposed to take the catch, but he's scared of the plastic ball. And he couldn't take a catch. What a This is going to be crucial because Karan, another Vaini, Sonani Vaini is on strike. And Shravan Shirsagar with the ball. And he's still upset that he couldn't take the catch. Shubham, what do you think? How much in this over?
I think 4 runs. You guys can predict in the comment section.
I think only 2 runs in this over.
2 and 4. Please, Saido.
2, 1.
Oh, that's a run.
not bad.
That's a run. That's a run. A slight edge of Karan's bat.
3, 2, 1.
What is that?
What is that? Dot ball?
It's a dot ball. That's a dot
It's a dot ball. That's a dot ball.
Karan is trying to cheat, but he can't.
He can't.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, very good ball. Well ball by Shravan Shirsagar. He did like
Good ball. Total beat him all in up.
3, 2, 1.
Oh! What a massive shot by Smash! Whoa! Base warning!
Wow, the batsman has hit the ball. What? If there was a boundary, that could have been 4. But I fold. What? Kapda.
3, 2, 1.
That's a.
Oh! Wide ball! That's a wide ball! It's a wide ball!
3,
Fielders are
2,
crying.
1.
Oh! What a shot! What a shot! What a shot! He's dancing with line 4 and all. Wow!
This team is a loser team, man. Look at the Robbie. This team is going to lose everything in life. I'm telling you right now.
Let's see
2,
how this ball is
1.
going. What a ball! What the fuck! He hit the cameraman! He hit the cameraman! Whoa! Sonani Vaini is not talking with the mouth only, he's talking with the bat as well. Very good!
The team selection, team management has to look after this. And Shravan has to be sacked, removed, retired. Whatever you want to do. But if Shravan doesn't win this match for his team, he's failed as a human.
3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Yes. 3, 2, 1. Ready, guys? Ready.
I love the Siddhant's fielding position.
1.
What a ball! What a ball! It's a very good ball.
This is it. Last ball.
1.
Fifth ball. What?
No ball.
No ball! That's a no ball!
Karan, beat him up.
Ready, guys?
Let's see.
He can miss this ball. He is capable of.
2, 1.
No, he died. No. 5 balls, 6 runs, and that's a good
5
score.
balls, 6 runs.
That is a good score. Last ball of the over.
Last ball of the over.
1.
That's a one.
अंपायर को भी टीवी चाहिए. अंपायर needs the. That's a no ball.
That's a no
Umpire
plus
said no ball.
one.
Ready?
Ready for the last ball जो चल रहा है 10 बॉल पहले से.
No!
One more no ball. One more no ball.
What is that?
Maybe they will finish them in this over only.
10 runs already.
Oh.
The last ball of the over. This is a very long over.
1.
Oh! He what? What? He beat the ball.
4 runs to win. This is the time to showcase my captain, Whitey Sapphire.
It's a 101 Siddhant bowls 6 legal deliveries, just 6 legal deliveries.
You are not the Ashwin of Indian.
Only
Okay.
credit card accepted, no excuses accepted. Sorry, that's a ban.
There's a ban for 2 matches. The first ball of Siddhant's over. What a ball! What a ball! What a ball! Lovely bowling. No run! No run on this ball. Tell us in the comments he can do it or not. Silence.
Siddhant is special.
What a bowling Siddhant Sharma is doing! Shravan Sagar is the worst player in this OJGPL.
Leading from the front, but he has given away this match. No, this is not acceptable.
One more miss! 2 ball, 4 runs. Very well bowling. The part-time bowler is bowling like this. Then Shravan is the worst.
Kicked out of this tournament if they don't score 4 runs in 2 balls, which is not possible.
3, 2, 1.
What a bowling! What a bowling! 5 balls, no runs!
0 runs.
Whoever girls are watching us, you girls tell this man this is cute and funny. How worst he is. Let's see the last ball of the over.
1 ball में 4 runs, 1 ball 4 runs. Can he do it? He can't obviously, but can he do it? No, he can't. But no ball. Can that? No ball. No ball.
No डालेगा, नहीं डालेगा, डालेगा. Oh! Wow! 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 Come on, commentator! Come on! In the final! Come on! Come on, baby!
He thinks he's Ganguly, but it's Ganduri.
I think Shravan is the Flintoff and he's the Ganguly.
I'm going home. Oh, Whitey has removed her blouse.
Oh!
That's such a weird comment.
Weird comment.
That's true.
Tails.
Tails it is.
And we open the doors and we're going to bat first.
Thank you so much. Quickly,
Chalo guys, chalo.
Actually, we can't disclose our strategy. But okay, I'll tell you. So हमारी strategy है कि we have to win this game. We have to. मैं पहले जाऊँगा पहले strategy मैं जाऊँगा फिर ये भी जाएगा. All you told me you go. नहीं हम हम अभी भी decide करें but this is the final game और ये I have to make my mom and dad proud after this match and this is a very special match for Indians. I have to make Mumbai Indian fans proud.
Chalo,
We are many Mumbai Indians, Mumbai. To just take them home. Yeah, just take them. There's no strategy. There's no bowling strategy. There's no bowling, fielding, batsman. You want sorry, I'm not the captain. Yeah, why please? ऐसा डिसीजन है कि कुछ भी करना है बॉल नहीं रहा रन्स निकालने दो इधर 4 नहीं है 6 नहीं है nothing so no ball and get it kill it
What do you think means Salega? Who's gonna win the tournament? Like who's gonna win this
I
finals?
still think the Whiteys will do it because the Siddhant Whitey has got a good grip on the bowling side. I have seen he was blindfolded.
गुलाबी बॉल आणि आम्ही प्लेयर छान जिंकणार आम्ही आता बघा तुम्ही छान गुलाबी बॉल आणि जिंकणार आम्ही and also the other Satvi she does a lot of
Ow sound and sledging that really distracts.
yeah.
Sometimes it's very funny, so you also start laughing in your head.
Yeah, and also the pressure comes on the batsman when they so that's not really fair.
Scorer ready? No. Sorry. Ready? And 3, 2,
And the first ball, yes, goes the first ball, and the first ball is nice.
Oh, that's a really
That's very easy because Whitey put the ball on the throw the ball on the bat only.
so in short Whitey is Ashok Dinda and the other Whitey Siddhant is
Linda.
आता करू आपण यांची निंदा
1.
Nice
Oh!
ball.
So Siddhant has dropped the catch here. So that's completely fair. You can see who plays cricket on daily basis and
Now Whitey's ass is third
shaking, shaking earthquake on their asses.
3, 2, 1.
And third ball.
Oh! And
another nice batting by
So I
Saurav
think
Khadse.
Saurav Khadke is seeing from beneath.
Yeah.
See, this so perfect batting is not possible on with the blindfold.
थोड़ा सा they see like this.
3, 2, 1.
And that's
I think he heard us, so he is acting now.
and that's a slower one.
Guys, 3, 2, 1.
Nice ball. That was nice ball. Nice batting though. There.
Yeah, good game of cricket overall.
3, 2, 1.
And that's
That's a no ball, I guess. That's a no ball. Oh, that's strange. They have a review. They have a review left.
fair delivery. No ball. No ball. Fair delivery.
Okay, so
Now
it was
Satvi and Siddhant Safari is batting, bowling, and Shubham the Jadhav is blindfolded right now and getting towards the batting the pitch. Nice inning this was. Saurav Khadke played well. Everything is going so smooth. No balls.
ऐसे वो इशराज नहीं है वरना मैं इजीली 10 रन तो ये ओवर में खो लेता हूँ
Let's see. Hope for the best. They make maximum runs. Currently the score is 1 over 5 runs.
3, 2, 1.
that's a white ball. That's a white ball.
Waini has started pooping again,
Yeah.
and Karan Waini is giving him some advice.
I guess that advice is
Bola
of-
sa salla.
That is of no. That's like zero advice.
3,
Faltu advice.
2, 1.
That's a nice.
Perfect note by Shubham Jadhav.
3,
Good game of cricket overall. Come on, let's go.
Come on, let's go. And that's
Oh, that's a white.
white ball. That's
I guess that's a white ball. I guess that's a white ball. This is not a cricket. Cricket is a gentleman's game, and this is chida chidi all Waini. Gentleman's game. How Waini can play?
So I would like to let the editor know that please you can please replay that and show it to the people because in the comments you can only support. Yes, and as commentator na, those both eliminated commentator कांदा कापून या खाली जाऊन तुम्ही.
Hey, chale! So they are just salty. They are just salty now. Right now, everyone is salty.
Waini's second ball. Here we go.
Second ball.
That was a lovely ball. Clear ball, clear delivery, fair delivery. Yeah. 3 to 1, come on. And Waini's fair delivery. And that was a dot ball. That was a dot ball. Sledging is happening.
Sledging, very much sledging.
Very much sledging. That's a review.
So we should not forget that we are also friends. So it ends up in fighting. That's a very bad thing.
That's a fourth ball by Waini, and that's a fair delivery. And Shubham Jadhav is not able to do anything in this match. It's
Shubham
just-
Jadhav's became Shravan Shivsagar.
Yeah.
Okay, it's a no ball. It's a
No ball. That was a no ball. Gets a free hit.
Siddhant Waini is back to roots.
And so no ball free hit. Let's see what does the no ball. And that's a no ball. Waini has started phada pooping.
Full chicken of poops here. Full chicken.
Chicken pooping.
Chickly.
Shubham team has the Mumbai boys has a fair chance to make runs. Let's see, and that's a wide.
Oh my goodness. We should have a fair.
The free hit continues. And a good ball, and that's a fair delivery. One single run. That's a good one.
Oh my god, 13 is a huge score on this pitch.
2 balls, 13 runs. Sorry, 1 ball or 2 balls is remaining of Waini.
1 ball, I guess.
And the Shubham Jadhav is getting blindfolded. Blindfolded.
13 रन हो गए गुड पार स्कोर है ये पार स्कोर और वो हमको बोल रहे हैं हम चीटर बट दिस इज जस्ट द रूल्स हम कुछ नहीं कर रहे कम ऑन मैन
My fantasy playing my.
What's your fantasy?
What's your fantasy? Blindfold fantasy.
Last ball.
Comments में बता.
Last ball, 13 runs, and yes, a Waini is delivering last ball. Let's see, is a fair delivery or not? And that's a fair delivery.
Oh my
One single
goodness.
run, and they have 15 runs to win. Wainis have 15 runs to win this game. Let's see how the fuck are these guys bowling, Mumbai boys.
मी लगेच बोलणार
अरे मला सांग
back to the second innings of finals.
And let's see how the Whinies are doing the batting and the Mumbai boys are doing the bowling. Saurabh Ghadge is ready for Hagaila.
3,
Yeah,
2,
yeah.
1.
And Saurabh Ghadge first ball. Nice ball. The Whinie
Saurabh is bowling like this.
like
side
this,
arm
but
bowling.
cut by mistake.
Yeah. Something
And
is
Whinie
going
giving
around.
advice to the current Whinie. And the Saurabh
3,
Ghadge
2,
second
1.
ball. Let's see. And it's a no ball.
So I guess this strategy of Saurabh is very much bullshit. Like who bowls like this?
Yeah, this Malinga. Who is he?
He's fucking Piyush Chawla.
And
Ready to Malinga attack.
see, and that's a no ball. No, that's
Oh,
a
that's a fair delivery. That's a fair delivery. Oh my god. So everything's going around here. Like tension ka mahal. This mahal is of tension.
tension ka mahal. Mahal is of tension, active voice and passive,
Passive
voice.
voice.
That's how we do the
Now
commentary.
change the voice.
Active voice and passive voice. 2-1, and that's a
Oh, that's
nice ball. That's a dot ball.
this is very much because they're cheaters.
Don't talk to us. Talk
Yeah,
to
talk
the
to them.
umpires.
Talk to them. We are commentators. Will fuck your life.
Ah, fuck for life. FFOL.
We have seen how he fought his life.
We are
Come on, guys, come on. Ready, guys?
okay. Well, sometimes fucking is a part of life.
1.
That's a fair. Nice ball.
Very nice ball. Like very much clever. Saurabh is like tense. Just see his face. So much of tension on his face.
It's a nice delivery. Saurabh Ghadge doing good. Yeah,
These are
exactly.
cheating. Like the ball is okay. They never played cricket, so they think this is fast.
1.
That's a bekar wide ball. That's a bekar wide ball. They don't feed a roller before, yeah.
1.
And that's a that's a nice ball.
Nice game of cricket.
over.
Yeah. 1 over and 10 runs needed.
1 over, 10 runs needed.
If इतना चीटिंग करके हारे ना, इनका टी-शर्ट जो निकला था चड्डी भी निकालेंगे हम.
हरला ना आता गो खाल्ला ना आता जा ना घरी
ते पण हरतायत. They are also losing only. They are also eating poop.
बैट से नहीं हो रहे तो इन लोग को ऐसा चाहिए कि इसका नो बॉल उसका नो बॉल 10 रन चाहिए एक बार 10 रन चाहिए.
Now, even though we don't tell now, but you'll see now them pooping all around this over because Siddharth Safari when he is batting.
Yeah.
And he knows illa appa pora. He doesn't know how to bat.
Yeah. He can't even if like this he bats. So that's null.
6 balls, 9 runs to win.
Everywhere
Let's see.
Mumbai Whiny. Let's see who wins.
The first delivery by Shubham Jadhav. And the first ball goes like this and it's so
Oh, what a shot by Siddharth Safari.
good shot.
He's gonna get only 1 run.
Good shot, good shot. And that's a good delivery.
1.
Yeah. And that's a 2 balls, 2 runs. They need more. 4 balls, 7 runs. 7 runs to win. How's not to win? That's 3 balls, 3 runs.
Siddharth is playing very much nicely. Siddharth is playing very much
Even though it plays 6 runs, he need more runs to win.
Yeah.
So even though this is, we just need a no.
Oh my god. So it's a
When he's taking DRS like this, it's a T. It's a TRS.
The Ranveer show. Like when he celebrated very madly, so I want to see how Mumbai
they show
bowls.
like
Yeah.
shut up and ram.
I
Even
all
though
6 runs
Shubham
to win.
delivers all 6 balls nicely, they win the match.
I don't know what
2. 1.
Fair delivery.
That's a wicket! What kind of run is that? This is a crazy one for my match. What a game of cricket! Oh my god! Yes, all around! Yes, all around! Oh my god! Karan is gonna jump! Karan is going to die! What the fuck, Whitey? What the fuck? I'm very happy they lost.
Six time champion. अभी ये तो मैं कोई चलेगा.
ऍक्च्युली मी गॅलरीमध्ये होतो मला माहित नाही काय
मला पण काय माहिती नाही माझ्या डोळ्यात पट्टी होती.
And the winner of this OJGPL is the Mumbai Boys.
And the highest run scorer orange cap
and purple cap is only wicket.
तो कैसे लगा आपको ये गेम? प्लीज कमेंट में बताइए, लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए, नहीं मतलब सब्सक्राइब करिए। इसके बाद प्राइज आएगा और ये दुकान पर पहले सब्सक्राइब करो प्लीज, राइट नाउ प्लीज। 100K राइट नाउ, सुन 100K।
सेकेंड मैच में जो मेरा ओवर जो हुआ था उसके लिए मेरे को भी कुछ मिला।
देखो मिलेगा क्या? चोको।
चलो जी आई।
चलो प्लीज एडिटर कीप
गिफ्ट दो यार,
गिफ्ट ट्रॉफी फर्स्ट प्राइज
First prize. And the winners of orange juice get the lead. One boy.
थैंक यू
और एक सेकंड।
थैंक यू। मैं फिर हारी जैसे
जो हारी हुई टीम उनको मिलेगा ये आंब्याची पेटी।
चिड़के जीते हम लोग।
मैं बोल रहा हूँ चीटिंग नहीं करने का लाइफ में, ईमानदारी से खेलने का। लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब और जल्दी कमेंट करके बताओ कि कौन जीता और हारा और किससे चीटिंग किया। जल्दी आई लव यू।